Hello friends, welcome to MYcsHUB YouTube channel. From today onwards, we are going to start a tutorial series of API testing for absolute beginners level. In this series, we will be using Postman tool for testing purpose. We will see the API testing overview, what are API types, what is HTTP, what is URL, URI, etc. What are the HTTP methods and status codes available in the API testing. Then we will move to the API request where we will learn what is API request, what is response, endpoints, environment variables, parameters, which is used in the API testing. Thereafter, we will see the overview of API collection. After covering these concepts, we will move to the practical API testing, where we will be testing various requests like get request, post, put, patch, etc. We will also understand things we should keep in mind while testing these API, how we can reduce bugs and cost of the API testing and normal testing as a whole. So please follow this tutorial series till end and let us know about your feedback in the comment section. Please also share your queries in the comment section so that we can resolve it as soon as we can. And if you really like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to MYcsHUB YouTube channel for getting regular updates.